scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Tax multiplier versus spending multiplier looks tricky, but watch this quick breakdown. The key is where the first round of income actually goes. Start with the expenditure multiplier. When government spending rises, that money goes straight into demand immediately. So the first round effect fully boosts income, which is why this multiplier starts larger. Now compare a tax cut. Households get more disposable income, but they do not spend every extra dollar because with MPC less than 1, some is consumed and some is saved. Because part of the tax change immediately leaks into savings, the initial boost to spending is smaller, so the tax multiplier has a smaller magnitude. Well done! Option A, scan now, do not rush signs. Trust the given condition and check each step, because tax changes split into consumption and